Welcome to our video on the language of assessment. Today we will explore key concepts including tests, standardized tests, measurement, and the broader process of assessment. A test is a device or procedure used to obtain a sample of an individual's behavior. This sample is then evaluated and scored using standardized procedures. A standardized test is administered, scored, and interpreted in a consistent, standard manner. This ensures that results are comparable across different individuals. Measurement is defined as a set of rules for assigning numbers to represent objects, traits, attributes, or behaviors. Assessment is a systematic procedure for collecting information, which is then used to make inferences about the characteristics of people or objects. Are tests, measurement, and assessment interchangeable terms? While they are related, assessment is the broader, more contemporary term used to describe integrated, multi-source evaluation processes. Two other important terms are evaluation, which involves judging worth, and psychometrics, the science of psychological measurement. A psychometrician is a professional specializing in these areas. Reliability refers to the stability, consistency, and accuracy of test scores. Validity, meanwhile, refers to the appropriateness or accuracy of the interpretations made from those scores. Reliability and validity are essential for ensuring that assessment tools are both consistent and useful in practice. Tests are categorized in various ways, including maximum performance tests like achievement and aptitude tests, as well as typical response tests like personality assessments. Scores can be interpreted in two main ways. Norm-referenced interpretations compare an individual to others, while criterion-referenced interpretations compare an individual to a specific performance standard. This table summarizes the key differences between norm-referenced and criterion-referenced scores, highlighting how they are interpreted in practice. Now let us turn to the core assumptions of psychological assessment. These assumptions include: psychological constructs exist and can be measured, though not perfectly. There are different ways to measure a construct, and every procedure has its own strengths and limitations. Finally, the assessment process should involve multiple sources, generalize to non-test behaviors, aid professional decision-making, ensure fairness, and ultimately benefit individuals and society. We have covered the fundamentals of assessment, but where are these tools used? Let's explore the major applications of psychological testing in various professional fields. Psychological testing has diverse applications, ranging from clinical diagnosis and treatment planning to educational selection, placement, and classification. It is also vital for personal self-understanding, program evaluation, professional licensing, and broader scientific research. This concludes our video on psychological testing and assessment. For those interested in further reading, please refer to these foundational texts and resources.